Hi fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Hi fam, it's almost Mother's Day. It's right around the corner. It is May the 13th. Yay! And I'm going to be showing you some inexpensive flower arrangements that you can give your mother just in time for Mother's Day. If not your mother, your grandmother, or your aunt, whoever you wish to give it to, okay? Okay, the supplies you would need for this tutorial are one glass vase. You can get this from Michael's, Joann, or Hobby Lobbies. I purchased this from the thrift store for $1.99. You'll also need some adhesive gems. Now I purchased this from Walmart for 97 cents. You can get it from Dollar Tree, Walmart, or other places that carry gems, rhinestones. So you can get that. And the rest of this came from the Dollar Tree. You would need 4 stems of flowers, long string of lights, some flowers. Now these flowers do light up, 4 candle holders, a bag of glass gems, scissors, and glue gun. You ready? Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to glue these candle holders on top of these. And then we're going to place them on there, make sure they are straight. Press down for about 5 seconds. Okay. Put some gems in there. Take your little paper out of the bottom of your little tea lights. And just place them down in there like this. Ooh-hoo-hoo. And if you want to, you can add some more right in the back. Okay. There you go. Then we're just going to add our adhesive gems to the bottom, just so we can just bring a little bling to the bottom of our candle holder. And these tea light holders are changing colors. Have y'all noticed that? Can't wait to see them in the dark. And I'm sure your mother will love to see that in the dark at night. Okay. I'm sure your mother will love to stare at it while she's in the bed with the lights off. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, we're going to do the same to this one. Okay, if you put a little gems in there, it kind of goes down into the candle holder a little bit more. If you put a lot, it kind of sits up a little bit more. Kind of comes out of the glass. Okay, now I'm gonna put my lights right down inside of my vase. Okay, now take some clear tape and we're just going to tape the lights down right in the back of our vase. After we have taped our lights down, then now it's time to add our flowers. Okay, since this one will not fit all the way down in there, what we're going to do is we're going to cut it. We're going to cut it to about right here. Okay. Whoop. We're going to take our wire cutters. Clip, 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 clip. Just stick our flower in there. Where did this come from? Okay, now my completed look, I'm going to put my candle holders on each side of my vase. And now I'm finished. Very inexpensive. Your mother, grandmother, aunt will love it. Everybody, it's sharing time. It's sharing time. It's sharing time. Hi, everybody, it's sharing time. It's time for me to share 5 great purchases I got from the Dollar Tree. Yay! Item number 1, these new candle holders. They are so cute. Number 2, they carry all sorts of air fresheners. Now this one right here, this is tropical fruit and island breeze. Ooh, and if I tell you guys, this smells good. They also carry, look at these little things. Aren't they cute? You take the top off. Ooh, this smells so good. The Rose Collection. Yeah, it does smell like roses. It smells really good. I like it. It has this little cute top to it. A great gift. Then they have these apple cinnamon. And you can just drop this right in here if you like. That's pretty good. Ooh, I love the smell of apples and cinnamon together, especially around Thanksgiving. Woo, 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 woo. Okay. Also got this gel ball of foot cushions. I purchased one of these, and I just purchased a second one for my daughter. I'm always on my feet, so putting this in my shoe was like heaven. So I do recommend these cushions, especially if you're up on your feet a lot, you know. Yes, it's a great buy. Number 4, they now have some more adhesive diamond wrap. I took the last 3. I wish they had more in silver, but they had red, pink, turquoise, but you know I love the silver. But it's a great buy, especially when I'm doing my DIYs. Yay! Last but not least, this wreath form. And this is so, look, can y'all see it? If you know anyone who has survived cancer, you can put some flowers around here and put a nice little saying across here for Mother's Day, and it will touch their heart. Okay, so that was number 5, everybody. Woo-hoo.